First, remove the lock and fittings from the packaging. Place all the fittings into a bowl so as not to misplace any of them. Read the fitting instructions carefully. Included with the lock should be a fitting template. Hold this against the door, marking any center points for drilling holes. Remove the template and drill the holes to the maker's specifications. Different diameter holes will have to be drilled into the door with a variety of wood bits. In some cases, you may have to drill holes to specified depths. To do this, simply mark the depth onto the drill bit with a pencil. As the drill bit rotates, you'll be able to see the pencil mark. Now drill the door to this depth. It's always worth buying a good quality lock. Your insurance company can advise you, and in some cases will negotiate a discount off your policy. When you need to drill all the way through a door, generally for the cylinder part of the lock mechanism, only drill through until the point appears on the other side of the door. Drill from the other side. Position the lock against the door, marking around the portion that needs to be rebaited. Remove this portion of the door with a chisel and mallet. Check that the lock fits correctly. Following the lock instructions, assemble the fittings of the lock into the door. You'll usually have to start with the assembly of the cylinder. After the cylinder mechanism has been fitted and tightened, position the lock mechanism onto the door. Mark any pilot holes that need to be drilled. Drill these with the appropriate drill bit and fit the lock to the door. Use the key and test the lock. Now mark the position on the door frame where the keep needs to be fitted. Chop this section out with a chisel and mallet. Chisel out small pieces at a time. Tidy up. Check and fit, remembering to drill pilot holes as required. Now would be a very good time to decorate the woodwork before fitting the keep. Try the door, checking that the lock works correctly.